Alright, so today we're playing a game of Fortnite, and the amount of kills I get will determine how many markers I can use in the drawing further in the video. So let's drop in a game and get that done.
Yeah, boy. No. Let's do this. No! This is...
Yeah.
How fast is fuck, boy?
What's up?
Oh! I won! Yes! What the...
Yeah.
What's happening? Holy
Yeah.
shit, my heart. Yes. We won, somehow we won, but I'll take it. 4 kills means 4 markers. Let's go. Before I start drawing, I want to thank Epic Games for sponsoring this video. You can use the link in the description to download Fortnite for free. I legit have been addicted to this game for months now, and it's generally so much fun to play with your friends. I even played with a couple of you guys already, so if you want to join, then just add me as a friend and send me an invite when I'm online. So basically, for the 2 people that don't know yet, Fortnite is a battle royale game, which means that you start with 100 players on one map, and basically the last man standing wins. But the fun part about this game is that you can build as well. You can build whatever you want or get into some crazy build battles. You can play solos, but you can also play with your friends in duos and squads. The game is available on basically every platform. But let's get back into the drawing, and don't forget you can click the link in the description to download Fortnite for free. Enjoy.